Let's talk tropics. We actually have three disturbances that we're watching, but the one we're really honing in on here is Invest 95L, smack in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. It is likely to be our next tropical storm with 80 to 90% over the next 2 to 7 days for development, getting into the Caribbean and heading right towards the Gulf of Mexico. Well, I would say it's a 2/3 split right now that will happen. Only the European has it running into Central America. The GFS, the Canadian, have it heading into the Gulf as we go into early next week. So we're going to be watching this very carefully. Actually, it'll be early the week following, so after the 4th of July. We'll be watching the system very carefully. Again, very unusual for a system this far east to develop, and there's another one behind it. And this season is going to be very active. There's no doubt about that as things are evolving. Let's talk about what happened yesterday. It was a very active afternoon. First time in 25 days that our temperatures stayed in the 80s, and we did have just over half an inch of rain here in Albany. That was very, very welcome. So we're in the mid to upper 70s. Muggy will be in the mid 80s by 9, 10 o'clock, and then we'll try to reach 90. I think we do make it, and we'll see the chance of showers build as we go from mid-morning into the afternoon. Southerly winds being the main culprit here. We got the sea breeze lifting north, an old frontal boundary, and low pressure off to our north and west. You can see the showers start to fill in here right around 1 o'clock. Lifting north through the afternoon. Maybe a rumble of thunder here or there, but severe threat is not expected today. Unlike yesterday, we had that marginal risk for some severe storms. So showers ongoing this evening from 7 to 9. Have your umbrella ready. Have it handy. Upper 80s to upper 70s. The chance of showers diminishes overnight. We'll be at 75 degrees as we start off our Saturday. So there's that low and that weak frontal boundary off to our north and west. The showers you can see percolating. Tomorrow's rain chance will be a little bit lower, kind of relying on the sea breeze fronts to do the work, but there's still a lot of residual moisture left over, and so that's going to be enough to enhance shower and thunderstorm activity to at least a scattered side with the southwesterly wind. Now, our next system is this front, and it will be sagging south, re-energizing the atmosphere as we get into the evening hours here, especially on Sunday. Showers and storms become likely. Once again, this front will stall in the vicinity, keeping the rain chances in the forecast right through the first half of next week. And again, the rain is a governor on our daytime highs this time of year. So 92, 93, that is pretty much average temperatures. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday mornings will be muggy in the mid-70s, and the rain chance scattered to likely as we go from Saturday afternoon to Sunday afternoon, scattered on Monday, and then likely again on Tuesday. After that, it looks like the heat will build. Now, will we reach 100? Will we see heat advisories? That's still a little bit up for debate, but it will definitely be hotter and drier heading into that 4th of July weekend. We'll talk about that and the rest of your forecast, including the tropics on Today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. Happy Friday, everyone.